Hey guys, my name is David Luczkow, and I am a senior loan officer with Right Mortgage. And I wanted to talk to you about really how simple the process is to get pre-approved, and just cover a couple quick pieces of information on the pre-approval process that might be keeping you from moving forward to getting a pre-approval. So what we do with a pre-approval is we just need to verify your income, how much are you earning. We need to verify your assets, how much do you have in savings, and we also need to take a look at your credit. Your credit does two things for us. One, it gives us a credit score, which is going to determine the type of loan that's going to make the most sense for you and the interest rate on your loan. But the other thing we get from your credit report is a detailed list of your debts. So your student loans, your credit cards, any other monthly debts you have, we're going to take a look at those. So if you're a W-2 employee, meaning you get a paycheck, super easy to get a pre-approval. We just need a month of pay stub so we can verify what you're currently being paid. And then we need a 2-year employment history. So we'll ask for your last 2 years of W-2s. If you're self-employed, we can get you approved with 2 years of tax returns. In some cases, you may only need 1 year of tax returns if you've been self-employed for 5 years. So that's the income side of the equation. On the asset side of the equation, we just need to know what your savings are and where they are. So we need to know what's in your checking account, what's in your savings account, do you have any investment accounts or maybe retirement savings. In addition, you can use a gift from a family member. Typically it has to be from a family member, but you can get a gift towards your down payment or your closing costs. So we'll ask for typically 2 months of bank statements in your most recent investment account statement or retirement account statement. If you're going to get a gift, we need a gift letter from the donor. Credit side, this is where typically most people get uncomfortable in the process, where they don't want anyone to look at their credit report. And what I typically say to people is, look, for me to do a pre-approval and not have a credit report is kind of like going to the doctor and saying, you can't take my temperature, but tell me what's wrong with me, right? So a credit report, it does impact your score, but only by a couple of points to look at a credit report. So it's really not significant. And what we get from that, which is your credit score, number one, we need your credit score to figure out what we can qualify you for. We have loans that will go down to as low as actually 500 credit score. That's a little tricky, but for most clients, anything above a 620 credit score, we have a whole bunch of lenders that can do loans down to a 620 credit score. The thing is, if we have your credit report, we can also do an analysis for you if we need to get your credit score up. We have some great tools that would tell us specifically, if you pay down this credit card by $300, your credit score is going to go up by 20 points. We use that tool all the time to help people get better pricing on their loan or just get a better loan. Also on the credit report side, it's going to give us detailed information. We look at your monthly debt and we divide it by your monthly gross income, so that's your income before taxes. That's called your debt to income ratio. We need that debt to income ratio, including the projected housing payment, to be at 50% or less typically. Okay? Anyways, that's certainly enough detail on credit reports, but the key thing also with the credit report is in order to figure out what your max loan amount is on a pre-approval, I need to run your loan information, your application information through a software program. And without a credit report, I can't run it through our software program. And without running it through that software program, I can't pre-approve you because I need to make sure that your loan meets the basic criteria for a pre-approval. So anyways, basically pre-approval is very simple. We just need to know what your income is, what you have for savings, and we just need to take a look at your credit report. Usually it's a 15-minute phone call, get your information, then I know what documents to ask for, and we can have you pre-approved. Once you get your documents to us, you can be pre-approved within 24 to 48 hours. And then you're ready to buy your first home or your second home. Thanks, this is Dave Luczkow, Right Mortgage.